Lake of the Ozarks. Big old big ones. Okay, let's catch fish. We got rain. We ain't supposed to be getting no rain. We got fish right over here. We got a whole limb. Catfish right there. A whole limb and some sporadic crappie. I'm gonna back us up. Get a little bit more squared up to it. By squared, I mean I like to cast straight in front of me. There we go. So let's pick off. Let's try to get the first one. We got him. He's not very big, but we got him. Are you 9 inches? First fish of the morning. Is he big enough? He's gonna be really, really close. 16th ounce jig head, black and white plastic. It's a smaller size plastic. Can't see my marks. And he is a little bit over 9.5. He gets to go home. Well, that's 3 off here. 2 you didn't get to see. Then we can get another one. There we go, maybe. Here we go. We got fish. Yes, sir. 24 feet straight ahead. Exactly where we want them. Alright, we're right above them. We got him. He'll keep. I think he'll keep. Oh yeah, he'll keep. I put on a first cast with it. They wasn't wanting to get in here. You're not that big. So I put on a paddle tail. That little bitty paddle tail. That first over there, the last spot, they wasn't wanting to chase. So this paddle tail kind of throws off a little bit of different vibration. So I tried that. Let's see if it works again. We got him. He come way off that brush. Lake of the Ozarks. Are you big enough? I better measure you. I think he is. We better make sure. He is over 10. Guess what? His reward is good to go to the fish fry. We got fish a long way out there. Down 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5, down 6. Should be close. We got him. That's a good one. I seen him coming. That'll be a keeper. Or he just looked big. Oh yeah, he'll keep. I thought he was bigger than that though. Get in here, buddy. You're looking like a big fish and you ain't. Guess what? You get to go back. We'll get a bigger one. All right. Fish on. He'll keep. Yes, he will. Another Lake of the Ozarks. Crappie. That tail is a difference maker. They like that little tail. When you reel it away, they like chasing that tail. Yeah, let's get a little closer and get another one. I'm off the screen on that cast. Try to let it get the right depth and then I'll just reel through there, but we won't see anything. They moved out of the way. We got him. We got him. He'll keep. Yes, sir. He'll keep. Get in here, you big thing. Ooh. Come off the exact right spot. Lake of the Ozarks crappie. Charlie Brewer. Bluegill crappie bait. They're an inch bait. Got that little paddle tail. They like that when you're pulling away from them. Let's get another one. We got him. 2 in a row. He'll eat. He's even a little bit bigger than last one. They're getting bigger. They like that Charlie Brewer's bait. They like that little spinner tail. Oh, he fell right in the bait. Settle down. You're just in a hurry for what things to come are not better. All right, let's get another one. Man, that's a lot of fish that's seen that jig. We got him. I sped up my retrieve. Oh, he come off. That stings a little. All right, maybe we learned something just now. Whenever he looked at it, I sped it up. Let's sped it up again. We got him right underneath the trolling motor. Got that orange jig head out of sight. Settle down. Lake of the Ozarks. What is this? August? Lake of the Ozarks, August 24th crappie. You get another one out of it. Maybe they'll like it better at this angle. That's a lot of fish down there. Come on. Come on, jig. Do your job. We got him. We went over the log. Up and down right on his head. He had to have it. Are you big enough? You're not big enough. Let's measure him. I'm 90% sure it's not big enough, but I'm wrong every now and then. He's 9. He is 9. He's mine. Now let's get another one. Quite a few right there. Alright, we're right above them. Got movement, all kinds of movement. Oh, we got him. Big one swiped at it, but we missed him. Get in here. You'll keep. So they're liking that little paddle tail jig. Charlie Brewer slider, panfish crappie. Little inch bait. They're liking it a lot. Let's get another one. 2 in a row. Can we do 3? That'd be cool. Been a while since I've done that. All right, threw off the screen. They're down 7 feet. 4, 5, 6, 7. There I am. Perfect. Oh, heat. Oh, that's another one I lost. That's 4. That stings a little. What am I doing wrong, Travis? What are you doing, dumbass? All right. We're going to get this one. He ain't coming off. We're getting him in the bucket. It's a good fish. We got him. We got him. So that time when I seen him interested, I sped it up a little bit, and he liked it. Sped up a little bit. He's pretty. Quit pooping. You pooping. Get out of here with your pooping. All right, let's get another one. We got him. He come. I was 3 feet ahead of that, over that brush pile. Come out of that brush pile. They can see it if they want to. Crappie. They're liking that little spinner tail, flat paddle tail, not spinner tail, paddle tail. We'll pick you up later. We got more fish to catch. I have not been here. All right, we're right where we want to be. I think it was October of last year. I haven't been doing what I want to do anywhere else, so. There he comes. Oh, he didn't hit it. Truck's back from wherever he went. Alright, I'm off the screen. Oh, right on the edge of the screen. Oh, we're right there. Come on, fish. Let me see it. We got him. He come flying off there. There we go. We're gonna let you go back. We're not even gonna measure you. Well, they're healthy little fellers though. Alright. Be pretty. See you later. We're right in amongst them. He hit it. Right at the boat. That's how much line I had out. Oh, are you big enough? No, you're not. Orange jig, 16th ounce jig head. Bobby Brewer slider jigs, crappie panfish, paddle tail, white and chartreuse. Get out of here. Get another one. We're close. This should be a fish. We got him. He'll keep too. Well, you're gonna make me measure you. Let's measure him, just see. I don't think he's big enough. He's so close. Settle down. If you're not very big, I'll let you go. But he is 9.5. He's going home. Alright, let's get another one. I got hung up on that same limb. Let's go find some more. Tired of hearing that baby cry. Uh-oh. We got a crappie. We got him. We got him. He's a keeper. Just sitting out there by himself. Had to have it. Lake of the Ozarks. Open water crappie. That one's on the pink and white 1.5 inch Charlie Brewer slider jig. Let's get another one out there in the open. Uh-oh. Got a fish. Ooh, that's a good one, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, that'll be the biggest fish of the day. We can get on him. We got on him. Now he's got to bite it. Oh, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Right, that pole was out of commission. Dadgummit. Alright, we're gonna get close to him again. We're gonna get 2 chances on him. Kind of floating right above him. We got him. We got him. 2 chances. 2 chances. Nice crappie. Out here in the open. Had to have it. It never gets old. Never, 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 never. We missed him. I blew it. Got this rod tangled up in the chair. I went, no. Grabbed the other rod. Completely different bait. Different jig head, but didn't matter. He wanted it. He had to have it. Alright, now we got this rod out. Let's go get another one. That's 2 open water crappie. That was pretty cool. I mean, just because you miss him, I mean, he hit it. I set the hook and I felt him for just a second, but it didn't keep him from biting again. Lake of the Ozarks. Big old big ones.